Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an important topic for online businesses, which is return policies. Are they compulsory? What are the legal implications? Stick around to find out. We begin by addressing the big question: do online businesses need a return policy? The answer varies depending on where your business operates. However, it is important to state that, though it is not mandatory by a specific law to have a return policy in a country, some other consumer protection law may still impose an obligation on businesses to protect consumer rights. In the United States, there is no federal law that explicitly requires online businesses to have a return policy. However, some states may have different laws that apply. For example, California's Online Shopping Return and Restocking Fee Act requires online businesses to clearly disclose their return and refund policies. In the European Union and most countries in Europe, things are more stringent. The Consumer Rights Directive mandates that consumers have a right to return goods purchased online within 14 days for a full refund, no questions asked. This is often referred to as the cooling off period. In the UK, online businesses are also legally required to provide a 14-day cooling off period under the Consumer Contracts Regulations 2013. This allows customers to cancel and return most goods for a full refund. This period begins the day after the goods are received. There are exceptions, such as personalized items or perishable goods, which do not need to be accepted for return. Additionally, in the UK, businesses must refund the cost of the item and standard delivery charges if the entire order is returned. Failure to comply can result in legal penalties and damage to the business reputation. Although it is not always a legal requirement to have a return policy, what is the importance of a return policy to your business? Let us explore a few reasons. Number 1. Having a return policy builds trust. A clear and fair return policy can help build trust with your customers. It shows that you are confident in your products and care about customer satisfaction. Number 2. A return policy can also boost sales. Shoppers are more likely to make a purchase if they know they can return the item if it does not meet their expectations. This can significantly boost your business sales. Number 3. A return policy can also serve as legal protection in the event of a dispute. This means that if the customer knows the terms up front, they are less likely to feel deceived and take legal action. Let us also discuss the legal implications of return policies. If your business decides to have a return policy, failing to adhere to the clearly stated terms of the policy can lead to several legal issues. The first of such legal issue is the requirement of consumer protection laws. In most regions, consumer protection laws require businesses to honor their return policies. If you fail to honor your return policy, your business may incur fines and legal penalties. Another issue is that, if your return policy is not clearly communicated or is misleading, you could be accused of false advertising. This can damage your reputation and result in legal action. A third issue borders on chargebacks. Chargebacks apply when customers dispute transactions with their credit card companies. Without a clear return policy, customers may resort to initiating chargebacks through their credit card companies. Too many chargebacks can result in higher processing fees and even the loss of your business account. So, if you intend to have a return policy, what are the best practices that you should emulate? Firstly, clearly outline the conditions for return, such as time limits, product condition, and required documentation. Use straightforward language to avoid confusion. Secondly, provide information on all areas such as how to initiate a return, who pays for return shipping, and how refunds will be processed. Transparency is key. Thirdly, make sure your return policy complies with local laws and regulations. If you sell internationally, be aware of the different legal requirements in each country. Lastly, be sure to highlight exceptions by clearly stating any exceptions to the return policy, such as perishable goods or damaged goods, to avoid misunderstandings. In conclusion, while it might not be legally compulsory to have a return policy, it is certainly beneficial for building trust, boosting sales, and protecting your business from legal issues.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We value your support.